YouTube. How you doing? Welcome to Made in 3D. This channel used to be about those things over there. Sorry, not anymore. Now, well, I've been kind of busy. Really busy. And this is what I do now. Don't collect pops. I mean, I've bought a couple more recent ones just because caught my eye. What can I say? But yeah, been mostly working on stuff. This is the way. Yeah, I know. Copyrighted phrase, who gives a crap? But yeah, here we have the Great Sword from Monster Hunter Generations. All 3D printed. That's what this channel is about now. And yeah, over the course of the next few videos, going to be showing the progress on this, finishing this up, getting it, spots filled in. And best thing to use when you're doing stuff like this with 3D printing is actually wood filler, or Bondo spot putty works too. And I'll go through and I'll do a short little video once it's primered. You spray it down with some Rust-Oleum primer filler, and then a final paint job. And the next series is going to be when I finish my Iron Man suit. Yes, I know a lot of people on YouTube already have done Iron Man suits. Two most known one, at least to me, the two most known ones come to mind is Emily the Engineer and Frank the Built. They built some amazing Iron Man suits, and basically that's what encouraged me to take my little hobby of 3D printing from stuff like this to stuff like this. So yeah, just popping back on YouTube after 11-month break, learning my new thing. And yeah, I want to say what's up, hi, and welcome to the channel. And like I said, short little intro video. So see you next time.